What's up guys, Daniel here. Sunday, only 2 trades and I made $17,000 trade these 2 coins right here. Pay attention to the volume, $21 million plus $5 million in volume. And guess what? Let's talk about today also about Sui Price prediction. You already know, my name is Daniel, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list to increase the buyer power. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 15% per week. I'm gonna tweet this picture tomorrow, Sui Network. Okay, my price prediction, but there is a strong support right here at 80 cents, so expecting the price to hit 80 cents and bouncing back to the top level at least $1.93. So wait to my call, so we buy at 80 cents. Now let's talk about these two trades I shared in the private list yesterday. We trade with confidence. All you gotta do is to track the volume. Pay attention right here. I made $17,000. This trade right here, KYVE Network, tracking the volume, guys. Here we go. KYVE Network, this right here. Pay attention to the volume. Yesterday, the volume pumped from $12,000 to $1.2 million. So I shared this trade privately yesterday, right at 3 a.m. today. And also this coin right here, I share in the private list, Undeads Games, exactly the same strategy. Pay attention to the volume increase right here. On November 2nd, from $7,000, volume pumped to $110,000 on November 2nd. So I shared this trade in the private list too. We made 2 trades. Also, we can trade for you, provide 15% per week. And remember, all you gotta do is to copy my trades. You can trade crypto worldwide, anytime, anywhere. It's time to change your lifestyle. Thanks so much and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.